Mom has been in trouble. I heard rumors.
What kind of rumors?
The police are looking for you.
There's some serious allegations about your son.
Mom, he's a freak. You just go in his room, he's got all sorts of weird stuff.
I was 8 the night they were killed. The little orphan girl of the Kansas Prairie Massacre.
It's a real tragedy what happened. And your brother in jail going on 28 years.
If you want to convince me that Ben's innocent, you're wasting your
No,
time.
listen, you just gotta pick your brain about what happened that day.
Tell me about this club.
We call it the Kill Club. Ex-cops, private investigators. We solve crimes. That's what we do. Go see Ben. It all starts with Ben.
What are you talking about?
Libby, Ben is innocent.
Here comes my little sister after all these years. Go ahead, ask the question.
I don't need to ask. I know you killed them.
No, I did not.
Then why have you never filed for an appeal? Who do you think did it?
It's a puzzle with lots of different theories.
It's devil worship.
I'm not ready for this. You lied. I lied.
Everybody's a liar.
It's time you tell the truth.
Sad for you, little girl. You're just as imprisoned as I am.